Hi, my name is Simon Loader and I'm the Managing Director of Axito, and my expertise is in marketing and commercialisation. My background is actually in entrepreneurship as well, where I started Student Edge, which is now Australia's largest student organisation, as well as Axito, which is a services-based organisation that helps businesses to grow and succeed. It is with great honour that I get to present our team, its experience and capability to assist Garuda in its next evolution. Axito is a services-based business that partners with its clients to help them to grow and succeed. This is in the areas of strategy, transformation and business improvement. Axito's point of difference is that we have industry experts from throughout the world and throughout different business functions that come together to provide an end-to-end service that really maximises the potential of any organisation.
Hello, my name is Monish Paul. I specialise in organisation transformation and in particular how technology plays a key part of that transformation. My previous experience includes working as a partner with IBM and also with Deloitte.
Hi, I'm Diana Vitasevich. My area of expertise is in organisational development and transformational change. My previous experience is with the Bhutanese government in organisational development and the Perth Airport in restructuring in terms of the master plan.
Hello, I'm Ian Thubron. I've lived and worked in Asia for over 30 years, and my area of expertise is brand and employee marketing. I've worked over the years with companies like British Airways, Singapore Airlines and Apple.
Hi, my name is John Grahovaz. My expertise is financial and commercial. I previously worked as a partner at Deloitte and delivered mass transit solutions to cities such as the City of Melbourne, Beijing, Singapore and Rome.
Hi, I'm Glenn Butcher. My expertise is in scale-ups, technology and investment. My key experiences were at Atlassian and Amazon.
Hello, my name is Pia Turchnov. My areas of expertise are corporate strategy and supply chain optimisation. I've previously worked with Allen's International Law Firm and consulted into the Australian Federal Government.
In our experience, there are 7 key elements that make up any successful organisation transformation. The first one is around the business model itself. What business are we going to be in? What will our product and services look like? How will we engage our channel partners? What are some of the core analytics and insights capabilities that we need to embed in our new organisation? And how will those insights and analytics capabilities drive responsive operations? In particular, around sales, marketing, fulfillment and billing. Then we need to look at our partnership ecosystem. What will we contribute to our services? What will our partners contribute to our services? And lastly, we need to look at this from a customer experience perspective. How will Garuda better engage with its customers and create the customer experience that they need?
For Garuda, we'll be looking at 2 key elements of the transformation. The first is the organisational redesign. The second element is the financial and corporate restructuring. When we're focusing on the financial and corporate restructuring, we have to consider 5 key elements. The first one, which is the overlay of the whole financial and corporate restructure, is our stakeholder engagement. Axito's role here will be creating clarity out of the complexity that comes with stakeholder engagement. We then also look at structure, and this encompasses the legal aspects of the restructure, the regulatory aspects, and the governance. We'll consider the value. We have to keep our focus on value, and within this we look at valuations and viability. That's the viability of the existing business and the future business. And the third element is transition. Now, Manesh will talk a lot about the organisational design, and as part of the financial and corporate restructuring, we have to build everything we do in line with that organisational redesign. Underpinning this part of the program is data and analytics, and ensuring that the data that we feed through supports the decision making and is accurate.
When we look at organisation redesign, we look at it from 2 very distinct steps that need to be followed. The first step is to create a functional view of what functions and services will be delivered by the new entity. Once we've come up with that functional view, that flows into a structural view of the organisation. In particular, there are 4 subsets of a structural view. The first is to create what the new roles will be in the new organisation. Secondly, what capabilities will be important to deliver on those roles. Thirdly, the sizing of those capabilities. How many people do we need? And then lastly, the banding or the seniority levels, which are going to be critical to making sure that those services can be delivered. So those are the 2 key steps that we follow in organisation redesign.
We've stepped you through the transformation model. I'd like to now invite you to take a moment and consider the how. How are we going to deliver a project that unlocks the innovation that sits within Garuda and allows you your journey of evolution towards aviation holdings? Looking at the investment cycle and also the value creation for the business.
I think a really interesting part of that is that investment side.
We would like to take this approach by integrating innovation labs into your framework. Innovation labs are very simply an offshoot of a company that is really dedicated to the pursuit of new ideas, products and services. The advantage of this particular methodology is that we are de-risking and accelerating your transformation journey. The model focuses on 4 key elements. The first is design. Designing a solution to a problem that is fit for purpose. The second stage is prototyping. Being able to prototype a novel idea or a service outside your core business functions and being able to validate it potentially with your customers or even suppliers within your value chain. The third component is investability. What resources do you need to bring around the idea, the innovation, in order to grow it into a sustainable and viable business model? And the fourth and final component is around scaling, being able to create the product and the service that can be spun out of Garuda's core business or potentially integrated into other business functions to enable your transformation journey.
As we have demonstrated, we are clearly committed to helping Garuda through this next evolution. We look forward to being your trusted advisor and helping you to achieve the best outcomes for your organisation.